morning, guys. This is vlog 32. This is Phon-Er Gold. I am on my way to Golden West, the one I've been to before. You've seen at the mid company. They just called me this morning. They have 4 phones to do, like, well, two batteries for different phones and then 2 screens. So that's 4 phones total to be worked on. And then I also today I have a crazy schedule. It's Friday today, and it's everything is going crazy, and it's Friday, June 2nd, and everything is just like stacked up. Yesterday I had a 10, 11 o'clock for in Santa Monica, and then 1 o'clock in the Valley, which is like the other side of Santa Monica, and then 4 o'clock in Beverly Hills, and then so now this morning that came, so that kind of like pushed everything a little more close to each other. So I had to literally push my 10:30, 11 to 12 so I can kill this first, because this is only one plate. I can just do it quick, and then after I don't have to drive to the East LA area. So yep. So we are on our way to Golden West right now to kill 4 phones and make it happen. I'll be back here, guys, to give you some loop around of how it goes down. We'll see you then, and in the meantime, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Thank you, guys. Peace. Cut. For now. Yeah, we are just about to pull in this right now. Almost there. Does look familiar? The railroads that I did that little one segment on, where I do my the U-turns on, which is totally stupid, but I do it. And I just stopped on the railroad. Very smart. Kind of. There's no coming. And
slow traffic. Your destination is ahead.
Here we are, guys. Golden West Food Group. We are coming in live.
You have arrived at your destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Hey, how are you? Good. Gucci. And we're in. It's good. We're in. I gotta park. Thank you. Hey guys, I just got the parts. Now I'm going to fix it. Pretty simple, doesn't complicate. There's the lunch truck for all the goodies. I'm probably gonna get some cold drink from there. I'm hungry too, but I haven't had breakfast yet. Just jumped out of bed, showered, and just like got out. Work was calling. I couldn't do anything else but just work. Just get ready, look good, presentable, ready, and out. Alright guys, 1 sec. I'm getting you right now. Alright, hi. How are you? Alright guys, we're doing the 6 here first. 6 battery, 86%, but it drops to 17.
Okay.
Guys, that's about it. Good. Bye. Okay, so we are done with that. Walking to our car right now. That was Maria, the receptionist. She's cool. She's awesome. And we are on our way to Santa Monica, California to fix the iPhone 6s rose gold. Should be there by 12. I told the customer I'll be there at 12 exactly, so I'm pretty sure I'll be there by 12. My ETA says 46 minutes, but I should be there around that time, so we're good. Then I gotta push my 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock because that's not gonna happen. My 1 o'clock is in the north, so that's okay guys, we're out and going to the thing, rose gold. The sun is way too strong right now, but it's good. I love the sun. Just I was sneeze. I like some kind of sun allergy or something. Hey guys, I'll be back when I get there. Santa Monica, California. Stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Alright, we'll see you soon. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, I'm still driving to Santa Monica, California. We're right now on the 10 West, reaching Arlington. We're just still, there's still like a 10-mile stretch to go. The good news is that it's not as bad as we thought, the traffic, so we should be there easy at by 12 o'clock, so it's fine. See you guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll keep you looped in once I get there. Stay tuned. Tuning coming your way. Stay tuned, coming your way. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, we're finally in Santa Monica, California. This beautiful city. I have to get too much because it's all blocked up by cars. So that's their little secret parking. Whoever ever thought there's a parking in the alley, right? Well, it is, guys. It is. And only I know about it. True. Kind of. Sure others do. So, got a ticket to get validated, so we're gonna have to pay $16. I always try to avoid parking fees because it's just almost crazy to pay that much for parking. $17, unless you're like going out. Yeah, I understand. Otherwise, no point of paying $17 for 2 hours or 3 hours. 1 hour even. Just park. Here's the place. I guess we'll see you when I leave the car. See you. Be right back. Hey guys. I just left the car, going to the elevator now. From what I recall, the elevator here is pretty cool looking. I think it's all just like it's the ocean. The wallpaper is like the ocean, the beach, good picture. I'll see right now. Perfect. It's 11:35. We're here 25 minutes early, which is great. Right, I was right. Look how beautiful that elevator is. It's all the beach. It's the Google view. You can see everyone. Hey, little baldy guy. Hey, Mr. Snowman. This is a snowman, you said? It's a snowman. And here's a cone. Pretty cool, right, guys? It's pretty rad. Rad. Rad alert. Major key. Yes, I'm going I can record when I'm just walking, but I'll just hide it for now. And that's the beautiful Santa Monica. The beach is right there. Beautiful. Guys. here for Jillian. Hi Jillian, how are you?
How are you?
Hi,
Good
how are
to
you?
see you.
I'm like, I'm here for Jillian. She's like, why are you talking to me? Okay. How are you? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was so lucky that I got here early. I'm like, yay. I hate to be late, ever. Awesome. So what
So
happened?
go figure that I,
What did you do, Jillian?
well, I cracked the case or the screen that you
The
had
temper.
on it.
Yeah.
So I took it off like 2 days ago, and then I
you
dropped
dropped
it last night.
Yeah, that's why I thought it was good to put that on. Even though I don't have that on me right now, the extra temper glass. But
It's fine.
right.
I can order it. And
Yeah, but just make sure you don't like never overpay ever. Like get it from Amazon, like $5.
Okay.
Don't go to like Sprint or Verizon and
Amazon's like my best
AT&T.
friend.
Seriously, mine too. Julian, can I sit outside here?
Yeah, go for it.
It's so beautiful out there.
Just knock when you're done, because I don't know if it'll let you back in.
Okay, I'll just text you.
Okay.
Oh no, I can text you.
Just someone should be around here.
Okay, well I don't want to cause that much.
It's not trouble.
Okay.
No,
Awesome. I
nice.
just love the air. It's just beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so awesome. You guys, we're here. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay, we're ready to kill this. So we are doing an iPhone 6 Gold today, the regular Gold 6 first generation. It's just a screen replacement. This is our previous customer. Her name is Jillian. Thank you, Jillian, for your business. You're awesome. We are in Santa Monica, California, and let's get this party rolling, huh? Do this. Let me turn this a little bit down just so you guys can see what's going on there. Cool. Okay. Unless you rather see me, my face, but I think the repair is more fun because that's the whole point of showing the repair how it's done. Very good. All good to go. Guys, thank you for watching. This is Phon-Er already Gold. This is vlog 32, and we just finished the iPhone 6 regular gold color. That's a cut piece. Okay, guys, I just finished this spot, and I am give her a discount, $20 because she was a previous customer. Plus, she's a very nice person, so had to. I just validated the ticket, so we are about to go down to the parking lot and drive out of here. The valley for 6S. Let's see, one, or maybe it's not, maybe it's P1. Oh, maybe it's P1 actually. I'm not even sure. That's the beautiful background again, as I was telling you and showing you before. It's pretty cool, right? It's really cool. I know. It's cool. Okay, I'm gonna have to just I'm on the wrong floor. That's the wrong floor. Yeah, to the wrong floor. I need to go one more floor down, guys. I was able to steal an M&M. Because I have an 8 size, I can't eat this. Meanwhile, I get food after my dish job. After this one, I have 1 at 4, so it's perfect. Yes, we are here. That's our beast. The beast! Doing an Instagram filter in real life. The boomerang thing. Okay guys, I will be back with you when I get to my other job. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for some more action coming your way. And that's a cut for now, and see you soon. Peace. Peace. Hey guys, we are in Northridge right now. Our third phone of the day. It's iPhone 6s, white or black, I'm not sure which one, but we got it pretty early. We actually told the customer that we'll be there at 1:30 because of the fact that we're in Santa Monica, California, but we're able to do that quick, and we actually got here earlier than 1 o'clock, which was amazing since that was our original time, 1 o'clock. So now it's 12:41, and we'll get there at 12:48, which is amazing on a Friday. It's just crazy. Whatever time I usually say and I manifest, I usually just hit down the bullseye right at that time that I usually promise. So that's a kind of a amazing thing to do. I guess it's all about the manifest, and since I really believe in it, everything comes true naturally. Traffic just opens up on its own. Roads, my navigation tells me the right ways to go, and everything just goes smooth, and I believe in that very much. So the takeaway from this is, as long as you stay positive and you manifest the right, and you believe in it, and you have faith in your manifest, then everything should work for you, not against you. So get that, copy that, and save it in your head, in your brain, in your mind, in your soul, in your heart, and you'll be golden. Promise, promise. Alright guys, I will give you a little drop of the arrival once we get there, and so in the meantime, stay tuned for the iPhone 6s coming your way. Alright, Gold Phon-Er, and that's a cut. Peace, true fam. You guys, we are here. We're just waiting for him to open the door so we can start the unlock, and we're doing a 6s black. So stay tuned. Cool. Hey guys, we just finished that 6s black in Northridge, which is in the valley. Now we are gonna drive to our vendor to pick up an iPad glass, which is also a digitizer, because we have an iPad Air to repair this afternoon, and we'll put that in a different vlog, or this one if we can squeeze it in there. But you'll see it either way. So we'll keep you in tune. Stay tuned for some more coming your way, and in the meantime, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in on my channel and for checking out my vlogs and my repairs. It means a lot, really. So stay tuned for some more coming your way. Thank you guys, and that's Phon-Er Gold and the Golden. Stay true fam. Peace.